Hey guys, this is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered BELCH KING. Thanks, Squid. And today, I'm going to do something very, very special for you guys. I decided to open up the real, original Death of Superman issue number 75, the original one from 30 years ago or so. Why? Because I'm crazy, baby. And last time when I opened up the new one, it was cool but kind of disappointing. I got a feeling that this is going to be better, and therefore I'm going to do a better video, right? So here we go. All right, guys, so I'm going to open this bad boy up and see what we have inside. Obviously, it says here on the back we have the Superman 75 comic book, obviously, full-color memorial poster, full-color commemorative stamps, Daily Planet obituary, the Black Morning armband, and an exclusive Skybox trading card. All right, so... all right. How am I going to do this? Because I want to keep the bag and everything else, right, in my collection. All right. Here we go, guys. Woo! So this is the Daily Planet article. Here's the exclusive Skybox card. What's next? All right. Check it out, guys. Some stamps. That's nice. I like it. Poster. Poster's massive, guys. Wow, check it out. Holy shit. Check it out, guys. Poster is massive. Wow. That's crazy. Where's the armband, though? Maybe it's in the bag. No, not here. Oh, here it is. Here's the armband. It was inside the comic book. All right. So the armband is made out of cloth, just like the other one, the recent one, 30th anniversary. And so that's it, guys. I hope you liked it. That was fun. Right? The comic book, the bag, the obituary, the armband, the mega poster, some stamps, and the exclusive card. I hope you had fun. Don't forget, guys, click, like. There's more to come. Don't be shy. Write to me, guys. I love you guys. This is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered BELCH KING, saying, I will belch ya, baby!